Okay, sagutin natin to. Given the area in the first quadrant bounded by x squared is equal to 8y, the line y minus 2 is equal to 0, and the y-axis, what is the volume generated when this area is revolved around the y minus 2 is equal to 0? Okay? Ito ang vertex na ito 0, 0, upward. Ito y is equal to 2, tapos ito rin yung axis of revolution natin, y is equal to 2. Graph muna natin siya. 1, 2. Ito, isang line natin. At the same time, din yung axis of revolution natin. So, graph natin pag ganyan. Pwede siyang gawin dx. Pero ang hinahanap is yung first quadrant lang. So, ito lang. From 0, 0, kailangan natin alamin kung anong distance nito. So, substitute natin. Y is equal to 2. X squared is equal to 8 times 2. X squared is equal to 16. Square root, x is equal to positive negative 4. Di natin kukunin yung negative 4 kasi quadrant 1 lang naman. So, magiging 4, 2. Therefore, this ito na gagamitin natin kasi tumama yung strip doon mismo sa axis of revolution. Therefore, from 0 to 4, pi, yun yung formula, y uppermost minus y lowermost squared dx. Uppermost natin is yung 2. Tapos, yung lowermost natin is ito, equation niya. So, kailangan muna natin in terms of x yan. X squared is equal to 8y. So, y is equal to x squared over 8. Therefore, v is equal to, the volume is equal to pi, 2, yung highermost, y lowermost is x squared over 8 squared, quantity squared, dx from 0 to 4. Okay. Integral ng pi multiplied by 2 minus x squared all over 8 quantity squared from first quadrant 0 to 4 is equal to 26.808 cubic units.